Hey, today we'll see how to ask about quantity in Spanish and how to say how much of something there is, or how many elements there are. We'll be using the Spanish counterparts of words like much, many, a lot of, few, and little. Before we talk about quantity in Spanish though, let's revise what count and non-count nouns are. I also have a video on my Prospero English YouTube channel on count and non-count nouns in English, so if you're interested, feel free to check it out. Anyway, count nouns are nouns which express the number of individual elements. These are nouns which can be used in plural as well as in singular. For example, clock is a count noun because we can have 1 clock, 2 clocks, or 7 clocks, for example. Here are some examples of count nouns in Spanish. Una lámpara, a lamp. Una flor, a flower. Un día, a day. Una mujer, a woman. Un cuadro, a picture. Non-count nouns are typically used only in singular. They are names of substances or abstract notions. These nouns are not typically counted in items. There may be little air or a lot of air, but we would rather not say that there are 24 airs in our room. Have a look. Some examples in Spanish. Tiempo, time. Luz, light. Paciencia, patience. Color, color. Madera, wood. We ask how much if we refer to non-count nouns. In Spanish we have separate forms for masculine and feminine nouns. So cuanto for masculine nouns, cuanta for feminine nouns. Some examples. El tiempo, time. ¿Cuánto tiempo? How much time? La mantequilla, feminine gender, butter. ¿Cuánta mantequilla? How much butter? La nata, cream, feminine gender. ¿Cuánta nata? How much cream? El dinero, money. ¿Cuánto dinero? How much money? La leche, milk. ¿Cuánta leche? How much milk? In case of count nouns, we say how many. In Spanish, we have also separate forms for each gender. So, cuantos for masculine gender in plural, cuantas for feminine gender in plural. So we have los chicos, the boys. ¿Cuántos chicos? How many boys? Las ventanas, windows. ¿Cuántas ventanas? How many windows? ¿Cuántas puertas? How many doors? ¿Cuántos árboles? How many trees? ¿Cuántas bicicletas? How many bicycles? In English, we usually use a lot of or a similar expression in statements and much in questions and negative sentences. In Spanish, there is no difference whether we are stating something, asking, or negating. We use the same forms, mucho for masculine nouns and mucha for feminine nouns. Some examples. Mucho tiempo, a lot of time, much time. Mucho dinero, mucha paciencia, mucha madera, mucha luz, mucho té. It works the same with count nouns. We have again two forms, one for each gender. Muchos in masculine gender, muchas for feminine gender. Muchos amigos, a lot of friends, many friends. Muchos árboles, muchas ventanas, muchas puertas, muchas bicicletas. The opposite of mucho is poco. It means little or not much. Poco and poca are the two forms used with non-count nouns. Poco, masculine gender, poca, feminine gender. Poco queso, little cheese, not much cheese. Poca sal, poca carne, poca agua, poco café, poca leche. For count nouns, we have pocos in masculine gender and pocas in feminine gender. Pocos cuadros, few pictures, not many pictures. pocas palabras, pocos floreros, pocas canciones, pocas ventanas. Let's have a look at some examples. Compramos mucho queso. We buy a lot of cheese. Masculine gender, non-count. Mucho queso. Como muchos panecillos. I eat a lot of rolls. Panecillos, masculine gender, plural. We use muchos. María necesita poca sal. Maria needs little salt. Sal, feminine gender, non-count. Pocos productos son baratos. Few products are cheap. Not many products are cheap. Productos, masculine gender in plural, it's a count noun. We use the form pocos. Now, if you like this video and would like to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my Prospero Spanish YouTube channel. And also visit my blog at prosperolingo.com. And also, please subscribe to my mailing list and newsletter. I have a present for all my subscribers. This is my 145-page Intensive Spanish for Beginners ebook that will get you started with Spanish if you are a beginner. Now, this ebook contains the first 49 chapters out of the total of 240 of my Español Intensivo Intensive Spanish Course for Beginners book. You will find the link down in the description.
Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.